Hey loves, welcome to Sophisticated Country, where we talk about makeup for mature skin, outfit inspiration, and honest beauty reviews that keep you glowing from the inside out. My name's Clara, welcome to the channel. Today's video is going to be short but sweet, and we are going to talk about hot flashes. So if that is something that interests you, grab a beverage and hang out for a while. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into something that a lot of us are plagued with, me included, hot flashes. Whether you're going through them or whether you're just curious about how or why they happen, stick around. We're going to break it down together. First off, what are hot flashes? Hot flashes are episodes of intense heat that has nothing to do with the temperature outside or inside. You just get this overwhelming radiation of heat. They can last anywhere from like 30 seconds to 10 minutes. And they suck. They suck real bad. A lot of people describe them as starting kind of in their chest and radiating upward. And for me, it's an all over sensation. So I get tingly in my hands and my feet, and all of a sudden I can feel it just begin all over my body. They're very common during menopause and perimenopause, and the difference between perimenopause and menopause is perimenopause, that's the years leading up to menopause. Now, hot flashes aren't only associated with menopause, they can be caused by other things too. So other things that can cause it would be like certain cancer treatments, surgical menopause, which would be where they would remove your ovaries, even severe stress and lifestyle factors. So what other symptoms come with hot flashes? Here you go. Some more common symptoms are red or flushed skin, kind of like you look like you've been exercising or you've been in the sun. You can have palpitations or like rapid heartbeat or heart rates. You can start to sweat. Sometimes the sweating is so bad that you can like actually sweat through your clothing or starts to drip down your face. Sometimes I have been known to sweat a little. I even went to the chiropractor and I had to have them stop working on me because I was having a hot flash in the middle of my session, and literally I had to get off of the table and there was sweat on the table. It was horrifying. I was so embarrassed. I was just like, oh my God. They're like, don't worry about it. It happens all the time. It's okay. It's okay. I'm like, yeah, but it doesn't happen to me all the time. Okay? Anyway, I digress. You can even get chills afterwards. So once you like go through this whole sweating situation, you can actually get chills right afterwards. You can also get a sudden rush of like anxiety or feeling really jittery. And the ones you actually have in the middle of the night, they can wake you up from a dead sleep. They're called night sweats. You can literally be just drenched in sweat as soon as you wake up. So for me, when I have a hot flash, it's a noticeable switch in my brain. Like I can be doing something and then all of a sudden I just kind of stop in the middle of whatever it is I'm doing. And I have this feeling of anxiety and just like dread. I can't describe it. And let me know if you guys have a similar feeling to this. But when I have one, it just kind of like, so I have to stop for a second and I kind of look around and I'm like, okay, what is happening right now? And then pretty soon I get that feeling of an all over flush. I start to sweat. I get that panicky feeling. It's almost like like my insides shake. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but if it happens to you, let me know in the comments. Is that one of the signs or one of the symptoms that you have when you have a hot flash? It feels like the inside of my body is vibrating. It's very strange. I do not like hot flashes. Definitely no bueno. They are no fun. And yeah, they're a nuisance when they come. So what causes a hot flash? Hot flashes are caused by the lowering of estrogen. So when we go through menopause, our body is then realizing that we are no longer producing eggs and we no longer need all of that estrogen to have a menstrual cycle. So our estrogen levels drop. And estrogen is a key in temperature regulation in our body. So when your estrogen levels change, it confuses your body's thermostat, which is the hypothalamus, into thinking that you're too hot. So to cool down, your body widens the blood vessels, and that's what makes you sweat. So that's what you're feeling as the hot flash. So other triggers that can make a hot flash worse: spicy foods, caffeine, alcohol, of course hot rooms or hot weather, stress, and smoking. So if you're dealing with hot flashes, you are definitely not alone. I am right there with you. A couple of quick tips that you can use. You can try not to stress out. You can dress in layers so that when you get warm, you can actually take your jacket or your sweater off. Stay hydrated. Again, try and keep yourself out of stressful situations. Keep a fan nearby. That works for me really well. I have fans everywhere, as you can, literally everywhere in my house. So I will sit in front of them when I get one. I am not a person that wants to go on HRT. If you are on HRT and it is working for you, I applaud you. I just am not there yet. I'm not saying that I would never go on HRT, but right now I'm not in a place where I feel that I have to have it or need it. So I talked to my doctor about it, let her know that I was having some hot flashes and wanted to know if there was anything that I could do for them. And she actually told me that I should try black cohosh. It's a supplement that they say mimics our estrogen. It's actually a plant estrogen, and it can help sit on our receptors and help with our estrogen too. So I'm gonna start trying this like right now, and I will let you guys know if I have any luck with it. I'm hoping. There are some women that actually go an entire lifetime with menopausal symptoms, and I have to pray for them. I really do. And I pray for me that I am not one of them. And I pray for you that you are not one of them. So yeah, it can run the gamut, anywhere from 2 to like 10 years. So I'm about 2 years into my journey, and I'm hoping that maybe the 3-year mark is going to be good for me. Now they're saying that for the most part, people usually end up going between 2 and 5 years. So I don't know. I'm almost halfway there, and I'm hoping that maybe it's gonna quit for me soon. But anyway, I will let you guys know if this works for me, if it minimizes anything, and if you're taking any supplements, let me know about them and let me know if they're working for you, because that would be great if we could spread the word and give people some information about things that are actually working for them that aren't HRT. And if your hot flashes are really severely affecting your daily life, I would definitely talk to my doctor about it. They can suggest things that you can do, and they can maybe help you out with some things that might be able to benefit you and help you through that. All right, guys, that's the end of our video today. If you would, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell so that we can hang out and talk about this stuff all the time. That would be fabulous. So if you have found something that helps you out with your hot flashes, please put it in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. And what kind of symptoms or what kind of things happen to you when you guys have your hot flashes. I hope that it's all under control for you guys, and I hope that we can find something to help you out, and I hope I can find something to help me out. And as always, guys, please, please, please remember just how blessed you are and not how stressed you are. I know that sometimes that's easier said than done. But we have so many things that we should be looking at, that we are thankful for and that we are blessed with. And it just makes things so much better when you look at it like that. So until next time, guys, I hope that you have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, guys. Bye.